close. So 3 of them still have stuff on. She says she doesn't have anything.
Yeah, she was in the dressing room, I believe, and she doesn't, but I have a
bra. Okay. And then the other she have stuff on?
Yeah, they have stuff on.
Did you read Miranda to all of them?
Yeah, we got
I'm working on ID and everything.
On November 21st, 2025, officers from a suburban Illinois police department responded to a retail theft call at a local mall where loss prevention had already detained 4 young women inside the store. A single statutory number, a $300, stood between each suspect and a non-criminal ordinance citation on one side and a Class 3 felony charge on the other. That threshold would define every outcome in this encounter.
I haven't talked to anyone yet.
She just took these off, so he says that's it.
They're talking. Let's do Miranda for everyone.
Yeah, cool. We probably take one at a time in the other room.
Yeah.
Nope, not right now.
You got a bra on you, Ted? Yeah, let's go.
Hi. Does an officer talk to you yet? Okay. An officer, don't worry, look at here. I got my body camera on. Do you have your ID on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Have you ever been arrested before? Okay. Here's the deal. We'll typically on these we don't go a criminal route, okay? But we do have like questions and stuff we gotta ask. I know it's a lot right now. We'll work through you with you, okay? Not right now. No. You are detained. You are detained. No, it's not. We have to talk to you guys first and figure out exactly what's going on. There's a possibility you could be arrested, but that doesn't mean that's what we're gonna do, okay? Do you have your ID on you?
No.
Okay. What's your first name?
I'm Jayda.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
You're 18.
This is what she had on.
Do you go to school here? Okay. What brought you here?
Well, we came here to go shopping, but we didn't really go anywhere because we went to go eat out back.
Okay, gotcha.
You guys still working on an approximate value?
yeah, she's getting it now for her, so.
All right. I'll have you hop up and we'll go chat over here, okay? Are you all done with her then?
Yeah, does she have stuff on?
Do you have any of this property?
No, but I have my shirt on, but this is my shirt.
Okay, that's okay.
I wore it.
I'm gonna chat with you in here, okay? Okay, like I explained, you're just detained right now. We have to read your rights before we're able to talk with you and figure out what happened, okay?
Can you show me like the worst that's gonna happen?
Worst? It depends on the amount of property that was taken. So, yeah. So if it's anything under $300, it's a misdemeanor.
But I don't know how much it was.
We'll figure it out.
Stupid stuffed animal was like, this is like, I don't know why, this is just like.
I promise you, hear me out for a sec. I know a lot of people that have committed, these thefts, and it doesn't affect.
It's just.
I know it's a lot, and it doesn't.
I've never stolen a candy bar from Dollar General, and now this is a stuffed animal. Like,
I promise you, Jayda, hear me out. It'll be just fine. But yes.
So this is the young lady that just went out.
This is total for everyone?
No, this is total for her.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll let Dorton know.
So I have to get a lawyer?
No, you have the right to a lawyer. Do you want me to read them again, or do you understand them?
No, it's okay.
Do you understand the rights?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's a yes. I just need a yes or a no.
Yes.
Okay, having these rights in mind, can I talk to you?
Mm-hmm.
That's a yes. I need a verbal yes or no.
Yes, sorry.
Thank you. Okay, can you tell me the whole story about what happened? Just be honest about it. I promise the honesty goes a lot better.
Okay, so, well, first, our friend told us that they had, like, jelly cats here. So it's like a stuffed animal, and then, like, I came here and, like, other people just, like, told me, like, that stealing is, like, easy. Mm-hmm. So then, like, I don't know. And I didn't even think about, like, looking at the price tags because I just, like, wasn't really thinking about it. I didn't know how much those, like, stuffed animals were. Kind of my intention was to, like, come here because I didn't have any money. Am I saying this bad?
No, just be honest. Yeah.
Okay, I just don't want to go to jail.
The governing statute is the Illinois Retail Theft Law at 701C, 20 Illinois Compiled Statutes, Section 560-25. It requires a knowing taking of merchandise with intent to deprive the merchant of its full retail value. A third element must also be satisfied. Movement of the merchandise beyond the last point of sale. Concealment on the person, combined with crossing that threshold, supports a statutory inference of criminal intent. At or below $300. $3 offense is a Class A misdemeanor. frequently diverted to a municipal ordinance violation in Illinois. Above that line, it escalates to a Class 3 felony carrying 2 to 5 years in state corrections. The Fourth Amendment governs every seizure in this encounter. A brief investigative detention requires only reasonable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio. A direct loss prevention report of observed concealment clears that constitutional threshold. The officer correctly labels each contact, not F officer. Correctly labels each contact a detention, not an arrest. A full custodial arrest demands, which crystallizes only after valuation intent and the identity of each subject are all confirmed on scene.
Yeah, no, that's okay. It's
You
okay.
promise it's not gonna happen, right?
I can't promise anything, right? Because I don't know all the details yet, but I just have to figure out what happened, okay?
Okay.
So, did you have any money on you?
Well, yeah, I have my card, my
Okay.
credit card, but only like $10.
Okay, so not very much.
But I
money.
can pay for the things,
Okay.
all of it. I can
Okay.
pay for all of it.
We'll talk about
right
it later,
now.
okay? Yep. So you came here with the intent to steal then?
Well, no, I was just gonna see.
Okay.
I wasn't actually just gonna do it.
Okay. And then, do you remember which items you stole?
Jelly cats and then some Skims stuff.
Do you remember the specific ones?
A bra and then I think underwear. Bra, underwear, and then a pajama thing.
And how did you, take them?
Well, I put the top on,
Mm-hmm.
and then the jelly cats I just put right here. Mm-hmm.
Like in your pocket or something?
Well, like right here.
Oh, okay, like on your
I
pants.
I think I actually have the underwear on me. Actually.
Okay, you can just set that
So
down.
I didn't feel anything.
No, you're okay.
Like right here.
Okay.
I put it right there.
When you left, do you know how far you made it? I'm assuming you didn't attempt to pay or anything like that?
No. Well, my cousin was saying let's go out that way, so we went out that way, and then this guy stopped us, and we just came in with him.
Okay, so did you make it outside the store?
Yeah, but
Okay.
the guy stopped us, and we didn't get far.
Okay, but you never attempted to pay or anything? That's yes, you never attempted to pay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that worse?
No, that's okay. I'm just, like I said, it's not a worse or better thing. It's just I have to understand the details of what happened. Okay? Came here with, these are all your friends, family, anything like that?
One of them's my sister, and one of them's my cousin, and then the other one's just our friend.
Have you ever been arrested for retail theft?
No, absolutely not.
Okay. With retail thefts, the felony amount is $300. I don't know what your amount is yet. They're pricing it up.
It's 64. What do you think about that?
Okay, so with that, if you don't have any prior charges and it's $64, I'll write you an ordinance violation. Okay, an ordinance violation is like a speeding ticket, and it doesn't go on your record if it's paid or if you go to court. Okay,
Yeah.
but you got to do one of those two things.
Yeah.
If you neglect the ticket, you then get charged for
Yeah, absolutely.
it, and you'll get a warrant out for your arrest. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me find out the price.
Yeah.
If it's, like you said, just the one item,
Yeah.
and it's that price, and you don't come back,
Yeah.
I'll write you an OV, okay?
Yes.
So I'll have you come back in here.
This one is hers. She still had it on her.
You wearing our Uggs that you stole?
No.
I got you taken. That was your car. I just pulled it up.
That was not my car.
That was your car. I can show them right
That's
now.
not my car. I drive
Whatever
a
white car it is, you were with your friend and you guys both
That's
took Uggs
her
and you
car.
ran out.
That's her car, not my car.
Well, she's getting charged, but I think it was you that was with her. I'll pull it up. That's cool.
Something about Uggs? Did you take any Uggs?
No.
These ones are yours?
Yeah, these are mine.
Under Miranda v. Arizona, custodial interrogation without prior warnings renders any resulting statement inadmissible at trial. Miranda applies independently to each subject, and no waiver from one individual carries over to another. The Supreme Court held in Burgess v. Tompkins that a Miranda waiver may be implied by conduct. An express verbal yes captured on camera, however, is the suppression-resistant record that forecloses most challenges at trial. Voluntariness presents the closer question. Confessions induced by specific promises of leniency are involuntary under Bram v. United States. A rule refined by the totality of the circumstances standard in Arizona v. Fulminante. Generic C appeals to honesty remain permissible under that framework. Lesson: the officer's repeated assurance that everything would be just fine, however, sits at the edge of that line and creates the only meaningful sex suppression exposure in this case under Graham v. Connor. The reasonableness of force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. Routine handcuffing of a cooperative felony subject easily satisfies that constitutional standard.
Your friend already said it was you and her. Don't lie, I got everything. We already filed a police claim.
Okay, guys, I just don't know what's happening right now, and this is really cool.
Just be honest about it. It's not good to lie about it.
Okay, I don't know what. Can someone just please let me know what's happening?
Did you take the Uggs? Yes or no?
Yeah, this was like a long
It was
time ago.
9/9/25. I got it all there. We filed a police report. He just wasn't here when you did it. He was on lunch, so he hadn't up for it.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is a
Somebody called me.
this is a
They're wearing our shoes because we had him waiting for it to come back. I didn't know that was him. So
this isn't the first time that you've stolen.
Well, from here, because our friend told us that they had like all these things here. We didn't even know about this.
were these from her?
Yeah.
We didn't. Sorry, I didn't know they were on me.
That's okay. So, do you remember stealing those?
Yeah, it was like a while ago though. I haven't even like worn them or nothing.
Okay. So September sound right?
I don't know.
Okay. That time when you took the other Uggs, was it just the Uggs or did you take more than one thing?
It was just Uggs.
Okay.
Does this make it worse too? Is everything making it worse?
Well, I can tell you one thing. Lying about it does not help it at all.
Okay.
So just be honest about what happened.
Okay.
Right. That's really all we're looking for, okay? It's I promise you that most of the time we're able to figure out, like between your criminal history, all that things come into play. Once you lie about
I'm
it,
not
it's
like
hard.
this criminal or something.
No, I get it. Okay.
Sorry, I just turned 18 and now like I'm probably getting arrested or tried.
You're just detained right now, okay? We still got to figure out the amount of value and stuff like that, okay?
Okay, but that's high.
What's that?
I don't know how much it is. Can you tell me?
We're gonna go in and chat right now, okay? If you could just go back in here and we'll sit down with your friends, okay? What's that?
If it's over 300, I'm getting arrested.
We still got to figure out the value. It's a possibility, yes.
Do you have a total for her?
For her,
Which was
just this is $34.
34?
Yes, ma'am.
You can just step in over here, okay? Has an officer spoken to you yet? No. Okay, just got your name. Okay. Okay, so here's the deal. Here, you can have that back. Here's the deal with this. You're technically detained right now, okay? I have to read you your rights before I'm able to talk with you, okay? So let me just do that. Okay, realize now you want to talk with me. That's a yes? Okay. How old are you? 24. So the biggest thing, I just expect honesty. Like I said, we have to investigate the whole thing fully, but if I come back to it later and, hey, they left out this part, to me, that shows that even though you're caught, you're not really going to change your actions after, right? So can you just explain to me, what exactly did you steal today?
Some skin stuff, I think like 3 Skims bras, the Skims pajamas, and then Ugg pajamas.
Okay. And then how did you steal those?
I put a bra in my bag, and then
Okay.
I put the other stuff on.
Okay. And did you have intent, did you ever go up and try to pay or anything, or you just left?
I just left.
Okay. How far did you make it past the last point of sale?
Well, the dressing room was just right by the door, so I didn't even walk.
So you left out the door to the outside, you made it outside? That's a yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you return all of the items? Okay. 100%? Yeah, no, okay. Because Jayda still had one on her, so I was making sure. What's up, dog?
I would say we'll pull separate reports for all 4 of them.
Why?
And what are you planning on doing, OV or?
I still gotta look at the values.
Okay, I wrote the one value of the first girl.
Yeah.
I don't know her value.
Okay.
It's going to be the most.
The most value?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, I think that's
still the same, like what you said before?
Yeah, like I said, it totally depends. Regardless, even if you stole...
Worst case scenario.
Still
get out tonight, no matter
you would
what
still
that
get out
amount is.
tonight. That's correct. Yes.
So 300 is a felony amount for retail theft, which is super low, and we know that. It's not hard.
If it's over $300, I have a felony right now?
Well, potentially yes. Okay. All right. If you can go head back in there, and then we'll chat with you some more and figure out what we're going to do, okay? Okay, so basically what's going on, okay? So we're going to finish up some paperwork. We have paperwork for all of you before we leave, okay? You guys are going to be good to go. You guys have to get processed before you release, you and her. We're going to be taking you down to a jail, but you'll be released from there. You're not going to be staying, no. You have to go to get processed, okay? It's basically like fingerprints photographs.
Like court or something?
There'll be a court date assigned to you, yep.
Like it's possible to go to jail from this?
Yes, it is possible if you got sentenced to that. Remember that you have no criminal history, right? Okay. So what'll happen is you guys will come with us. I was explaining this, but she explained it. Yep. Come get you guys. It takes typically like an hour, 2 hours to get processed in, okay?
What?
We're just talking about the values because you're getting a non-criminal ticket for the first Ugg thing. Okay.
They give it like a speeding ticket. You pay it, it goes away.
Yeah.
Are we like gonna have to get arrested to go there?
Yeah. You have to be placed into custody. I'm sorry. It's our policy.
Are we in different cars?
Yep.
Okay.
It would be nice.
We gotta do it.
Yeah.
So I'll take this. Just put your hands on the wall. Sorry, sweatshirt's big.
Do you have your paperwork still? It's in your pocket? Okay, cool. I know it sucks being put in handcuffs. I understand it's only temporary, okay? We'll get down there, transport you down there. It's like less than a 10-minute drive, and you'll be released from there, okay? It's just a process that we have to go through, okay? And I'll explain everything. If you have any questions, seriously, just talk to me. We'll get through it together.
Have it. Miranda was correctly administered to each subject, individually. The verbal waiver was captured on camera, and every charge was calibrated precisely to the statutory dollar value. The grade falls below the A range solely because informal outcome assurances during questioning invite a voluntariness challenge that a more disciplined interrogation approach would have avoided entirely. The 18-year-old subject earns a C+. Cooperation converted a likely criminal charge into a non-criminal ordinance violation, a real benefit. Her on-camera admission that she arrived intending to steal established mens rea on its own. 24. The 4-year-old subject earns a A. Needs citation. Her aggregated merchandise value exceeded $1,000, exceeded $1, 3 times the felony threshold, locking in class 3 regardless of any cooperation or expressed efforts remorses. When her initial false denial, retracted only after being confronted with documentary evidence, undermined her credibility at every subsequent stage of the case. 3. Follow from this encounter. First, a verbal Miranda waiver confirmed on camera is not a formality. It is the minimum constitutional standard and the strongest protection an officer has against a suppression motion at trial. Second, the felony threshold is a fixed statutory number. Remorse and cooperation can influence a prosecutor's charging discretion, but they cannot move the line that separates a misdemeanor from a felony. Third, a false denial, corrected under pressure, is worse than silence. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent exists precisely for moments like this, and a lie on the record follows a defendant into every future proceeding.